Hi, my name is Meghna and I am from IIG South.
Hello everyone, I am Nitish Baliga from IIG South.
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ರಮೇಶ್ ಜಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು IIG ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಪಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Hi, I am Sakshi Jain from IIG.
I am here to talk about the Surat trip. Talking about the trip, we all visited to Hari Krishna Manufacturing Unit. There I learned a lot about diamonds and I underwent a lot of process which they all go through, and it was a very good experience for all of us.
I really enjoyed the experience because everything I learned about in theory I could see in practice over there.
ನಮಗೆ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ವಜ್ರದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವ, ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ದೇವರಾಯನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ವಜ್ರಗಳು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವ ಕಂಪನಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಜ್ರದ ಅರಳುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಈ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಬಂದು.
Walking into the Diamond King's den to see each and every process for a piece of carbon to get converted into diamond is amazing and eye-opening.
Then we had an opportunity to visit Mahendrapura, that is a diamond market, where many vendors there sell diamond on the streets. We had a live opportunity to see how they how to negotiate with them, how they sell diamonds, what's their selling price, their costing, their buying price and everything.
We covered diamond manufacturing, we covered diamond jewelry manufacturing, and we had local trip, and all together it was an amazing experience about diamonds.
From a personal standpoint, it was very educational. I got to see a lot of new different things, different processes and how to optimize these processes, and everything was very detailed and explained extremely well.
We were taken to a lab-grown diamond manufacturing unit. The process was on a different level. We couldn't believe that something like that could happen to a diamond that could be grown in a lab. And I'm grateful for IIG for taking us on this trip.
I'm really thankful for such an amazing, beautiful experience.
Thank you IIG for giving us such an experience.
Thank you IIG for giving this opportunity.
So overall it was a very good experience. Thank you.
Thank you so much, IIG.
Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್.